Today we are making up something really fun, y'all. This is a Valentine dip. And so if you're going to a Valentine party or just having fun at home, I think you're just absolutely gonna love this. Hi, I'm Melissa Diane, and on this channel, we have so much fun in the kitchen together. So let's go ahead and jump into this special dip. Here are the ingredients that we're gonna be using for a Valentine dip. So first of all, you want to use some whipped cream cheese. The brand I'm using today is Philadelphia whipped cream cheese. Y'all, if you have never used this, this is awesome. You're absolutely gonna love it. Now over here, we've got some Cool Whip. You just need one container of your Cool Whip, and then 2 containers of some puffed marshmallow cream. I said 2 containers because each of these is 7, and you need anywhere from 13 to 14 ounces. Sometimes I've seen a big one. If you can get that, great. If not, you need 2 small ones. And then a package, you're not gonna use all of them, but you need a package of some tiny chips. These are the little semi-sweet minis. You don't want the large chips, you want the smaller ones. Okay, now as we get started here, I'm putting this all together. There's one thing I didn't tell you, and it's kind of important. You need a little bit of red food coloring. We're only gonna use just 1 drop because we want to turn this dip pink, but you do need the food coloring. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put in our whipped cream cheese. And y'all, this is the best product. I don't know who ever thought of this. I've used this for several things. I've used it for all types of dips. And if you've never have cooked with this or used it, it's fantastic. So we've got that. Next, we're gonna take our Cool Whip. So let's mix in our Cool Whip. And you can already tell how much fun this dip is gonna be to eat. And it's so simple to make. Here we go. Let's put this in there. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and mix it a little. Now, I didn't thaw that out. I just took that right out of the freezer because I had that Cool Whip in the freezer. I just picked it up yesterday. So I'm going ahead and mashing this, and I'm probably gonna switch over to like a wooden spoon here in a minute, possibly, when we start stirring. Let's just see how we do. I found this little recipe the other day, and I just kind of tweaked it a little bit, and let's see. I think it's gonna turn out really, really good. Okay, and now we're gonna put in this marshmallow cream. I'm gonna get something smaller to fit down in there. Here we go, I got a smaller spatula. I had seen something similar to this, and they had used just the regular cream cheese. And y'all, I just thought this would be so much better with that whipped. And then my daughter, she saw this recipe and they were using that whipped in it. Okay, so now y'all, I'm doing this. I am putting in this puffed marshmallow cream. This stuff is to die for. You've probably used this before, but if you have not used this before, oh y'all, this stuff is heaven. Okay, now we have all of the ingredients in here. They're not completely mixed up yet. I'm still gonna mix on them, but I'm gonna just put 1 drop, let's see here, of this food coloring. Here we go. There's 1 drop. And then we'll see if we need more, but I'm thinking we may not because I want this to come out to be pink. I don't want it red, so I think after we mix it all up, we should just have a nice pink dip. This is going to be so good. And I have used that marshmallow cream and some other things. One of them in particular is this fruit dip. I don't think I have videoed that. If I haven't, I need to, because oh my gosh, there's this fruit dip where you use it, you go crazy. It tastes so good. And I think this is going to be the same way. So we're doing pretty well. We're mixing up good. I'm going to mix stronger, and I may, let's see, put just a little more. Let's put 1, let me see here. I think I may want to put just a little more of this. I do. So let me put another little drop in. We want to mix till it's super creamy. There we go. 1 little drop. There we go. Now we're getting bright pink. That's what I'm wanting. For Valentine's, we want it to be just kind of knock your socks off pink. Okay, I am still stirring. I've been stirring for about three or 4 minutes, and my arm's getting tired. So I'm gonna put another drop in though, because the more I stir, the lighter this gets. I want a bright pink for this dip. So here we go. Let's stir in a little more. And when I first do that and I put that in, that's the color I'm looking for. I just want to get that throughout the whole dip. Okay now, so if I sound out of breath, it's because I kind of am. I have been stirring y'all on this for probably about 7 or 8 minutes, really, really hard. I have ended up putting 7 drops, or 8, I lost count, either 7 or 8 drops of that food coloring in to get it to this pink, because I really wanted it to get to like a really nice either bubblegum pink or even brighter. But I think that this color is going to be really good. And this recipe, like I said, I'd seen some different versions, and my daughter was on TikTok and she saw this, and so she had sent it to me, and they made it look really simple, like you just put in 1 drop of that food coloring. But I'll tell you, no, you need several drops, and you're going to have to stir for a little while. But I think it's definitely going to be worth it. It just takes a little bit of effort. Okay, so now what I have done is I took the dip and I put it actually in, this is a little Tupperware dish. Normally I would take this dip and I would put it in something really pretty, something very festive for whatever holiday we're using. But I'm going to be taking this dip tomorrow to somewhere for some people, and I'm going to be leaving it for them, and I won't be getting the dish back. So I'm going to put it in our little disposable dish here. And now I'm going to take some of these little chocolate minis, and we're going to put these minis, y'all, all over the top. Here we go. Put our minis on. We'll put a few of these, and I'll put a few more. Just all over. And you can eat this with crackers. You could even also eat it with fruit if you want to. And I think the other thing I want to do is I want to take a few of these hearts, and let me see if I can get them to lay okay on here. I think we will. Let's try to drop a few. I thought it'd be pretty to put a few of these little pink hearts around the top of the dip. So here we go. Yeah, it just really makes it fun. Y'all, this looks like such a fun dip. So I do hope that you make this. All right, yay. That's looking so good. Look at that. I just love it. Here, take a close-up look. Oh, y'all, this is so fun. So, woo, take a good peek. Y'all, I just cannot wait to try this. It's going to be wonderful. Now, be sure and check out that next video that's popping up there in the corner, and I will see you over there in a few minutes. Bye-bye.